there, it's Megan with WTI, and something that has really been helping me lately to minimize the occurrence of ingrown hairs is this Topicals Ingrown Hair Solution. This tonic is packed with exfoliating and skin-loving ingredients. I used to use another product that consisted of individually soaked little pads, but I was always afraid that these pads were going to dry out. I am definitely one of those people who tend to get ingrown hairs, and they are so painful and annoying, so I am super grateful for this tonic. It's distributed by means of this big roller ball, and I personally have not found this roller ball to get stuck at all, but it rolls so smoothly and distributes the product evenly across my skin. It is such a simple and fast step that I can take after waxing or shaving. It literally only takes me a matter of seconds for me to apply this tonic on my skin. I have experienced zero irritation or sensitivity from using this tonic. I have for sure noticed a reduction in the frequency of my getting ingrown hairs since I started regularly using this Topicals Ingrown solution. And that's my point of view.